Hi friends, happy Thursday. Today's story is called Old McDonald Had a Truck. See what happens in this story. You're gonna know the song when I start singing it. We're gonna sing this one today. So there's my truck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had an excavator with a dig here and a dig there, here a dig, there a dig, everywhere a dig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a front loader with a scoop here and a scoop there. Here a scoop, there a scoop, everywhere a scoop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a bulldozer with a push here and a push there. Here a push, there a push, everywhere a push. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a motor grader with a scrape rake here and a scrape rake there. Here a scrape, there a rake, everywhere a scrape rake. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dump truck with a dump thump here and a dump thump there. Here a dump, there a thump, everywhere a dump thump. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a steamroller with a squish mash here and a squish mash there. Here a squish, there a mash, everywhere a squish mash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had you see a ramp here. I wonder what's going to come off of it. Ooh, a cement mixer with a spin whirl here and a spin whirl there. Here a spin, there a whirl, everywhere a spin whirl. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm you can see them with their popcorn. They look like they're at a show. We'll have to see what they're watching. On that farm he had a truck. And the truck came off that ramp. It's flying high in the sky. The end. So there's our story. Tomorrow we have another fun story, so I will see you then. Bye, friends.